Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As Diwali is soon approaching, I bring you a Diwali special series on my channel. This includes easy to make sweet and snack recipes. You can check the Diwali special playlist link in the description box. Now let's get cooking with the second recipe of the series, which is Shankarpali. In a bowl, take 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Next, heat 3 tablespoons of oil and make it really hot. Now add this hot oil into the flour. Be very careful while doing this. You will hear a sizzling sound. Now with the help of a spoon, mix the hot oil in the flour. Then with the help of your fingers, mix the flour really well by rubbing the flour in between your fingers. In a bowl, take some water. In this, add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir it till the sugar melts. Add this water in the flour. Add some more plain water and start kneading the dough. Add little water at a time because we need to make a stiff dough. Once the dough comes together, knead it really well for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will get a smooth dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Divide the dough into 6 portions. Take one dough ball and cover the remaining and keep aside, else they will start becoming dry. Dust some flour and start rolling out the dough evenly. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. Once you have rolled out the dough, with the help of a cutter like this or with a knife, cut the dough into diamond shapes. Try to get all the shapes even. Take it out in a plate. With the help of your fingers, lightly separate them. This is now ready to be fried. Heat oil on medium-high flame and add the diamond cut dough into the oil carefully. They should immediately puff and rise up. Keep turning over so that they get even color on all sides. Once they get a golden color, drain the oil and take it out in a plate. One more safe way for frying is place the diamond cut dough into the strainer spoon and slowly release in the oil. Fry it till it becomes golden. And here you have crispy and tasty Shankarpali ready. Do try this at home for this Diwali, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Do watch my other videos as well. Thank you for watching.